First introduced back in 2009 by Ryan Dahl at the annual European JS conference. Node.js is an application runtime environment that allows you to write server-side applications in JavaScript. Built on top of the Chrome V8 JavaScript engine, it is capable of executing JS code outside of a web browser. Why use Node.js? Primarily, Node.js is used for non-blocking, event-driven servers. Other notable uses of Node.js are building multiplayer web browser games, creating real-time applications, complex single-page applications, and even websites, developing backend API services. Node.js frameworks and tools. In order to make things easy and exciting for developers, thousands of libraries were built upon Node.js by the community. Some of them are egg.js, socket.io, next.js, Meteor, Koa, and Express. Why should you learn Node.js? There are other programming languages also which we can use to build back-end services, so what makes Node.js different? It's easy to get started and can be used for prototyping and agile development. It provides fast and highly scalable services. Large ecosystem for open source library. Source code is cleaner and consistent. It uses JavaScript everywhere, so it's easy for a JavaScript programmer to build back-end services using Node.js. Is Node.js front-end or back-end? Node.js offers complete web development because it has the ability to support both front-end and back-end development.